Myself, Ms. Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is maintenance of electrical equipment. So, in this video, you will learn about practical number 1, which is perform the no-load test, measure winding resistance for a single-phase induction motor, and determine its performance. So, this is the diagram for this practical, and from this we will make the connections. So first you have to connect auto transformer with voltmeter. So connect this auto transformer with the voltmeter, that is a parallel connection, positive to positive and negative to negative. So we have connected this voltmeter. Next we have to connect voltmeter to ammeter. So next connection is voltmeter to ammeter. So voltmeter positive is connected to ammeters positive. Then ammeter positive is connected to M terminal of the wattmeter. So connect this negative terminal of ammeter to connect M terminal of this wattmeter. Then connect MC, M and C connection of this wattmeter, like that. M and C are connected. Next connection is connect this L terminal to the main winding. So connect this L terminal to the main winding. You can see the running winding or main winding. So L connected to the running winding, and the second terminal of this running winding is connected to V terminal of this wattmeter. Next you have to connect the capacitor and starting winding. So next connection is connect this running winding to capacitor, this connection, and then capacitor to the starting winding. You can see the starting winding, and from starting winding to running winding. And next connection is this V terminal is connected to voltmeter's negative terminal. So you can see the connection. This wattmeter's V terminal is connected to the voltmeter. So we have made the connection as per the circuit diagram, and you have to follow this procedure then. So procedure is disconnect the single phase capacitor start induction run motor from the supply, open the terminal box, discharge the capacitor, separate the windings and capacitor terminals by using multimeter, identify the winding terminal pair of continuity test, measure the resistance of each winding by multimeter, note down the values in the observation table. So this is procedure for measurement of winding resistance, and this is the procedure for no load test. So we will first do this no load test. So make the connection as per the circuit diagram. So we have made the connection. Then the motor is run at no load with the running winding excited at normal frequency and voltage until the power input is constant. Then readings are taken of volts, amperes and watts input at rated frequency. The voltage adjustment is accomplished preferably by a variable voltage transformer, and a switch off the supply. So we have to give the supply at a rated voltage and take the readings. So this is your observation table. for this practical. So now we will switch on the supply. And load is not given to this machine as this is the no load test. Now increase the voltage up to rated voltage and note down the readings. So rated voltage is 230 volt. So we are giving supply up to 230 volt. So this is 230 volt, and then note down the reading like 3.8 and wattage is 200 watt. So you have to note down this reading: 230 volt, 3.8 ampere and 200 watt. Now decrease the voltage and switch off the supply. Then you have to do this calculation like cos phi 0 is equal to W0 upon V0 I0, then Z0 is equal to V0 upon I0, X0 is equal to Z0 sin phi 0. So write down this calculation in your manual and result and conclusion. Thank you.